Hey there, kids. Welcome to Happy Kiddo. Let's begin today's video. Hi, boys and girls. Today we've got a special video all about making the yummiest, fluffiest scrambled eggs. You will see step by step how to make them just right. Look at that silly cat whisking eggs on the stove. Cooking can be so much fun. Now here's a boy whisking eggs at the stove with his mom right beside him. Remember, when it's your turn, always have a grown-up with you to keep you safe. And here's a girl whisking eggs while her mom is watching and helping. See, cooking together makes it even better. You get to learn, have fun, and make something tasty. So grab a grown-up, grab some eggs, and let's get cracking. Time to make the perfect scrambled eggs.
The foundation of many dishes lies in a few key ingredients. Eggs are a versatile ingredient used for binding, leavening, and adding richness. Butter contributes flavor and texture, enhancing both sweet and savory preparations. Salt is essential for seasoning and balancing flavors in almost every dish. Pepper adds a subtle spice and depth of flavor, complementing other seasonings. A non-stick skillet is a fundamental tool for cooking various foods without sticking. A whisk is essential for blending ingredients and aerating mixtures. A spatula is used for flipping, stirring, and scraping food from cookware. A microwave-safe bowl or dish is necessary for heating food in a microwave. These tools are commonly used in food preparation. The initial step involves carefully cracking eggs into a bowl. Ensure no shell fragments fall into the mixture. Following the cracking, the eggs must be thoroughly whisked. Whisking ensures the yolks and whites are fully combined. This process is crucial for achieving even cooking and a consistent texture in the final dish. Salt and pepper should be added to the egg mixture before cooking. Pre-seasoning ensures an even distribution of flavor throughout the cooked eggs. This method prevents concentrated pockets of seasoning in the final dish. Proper seasoning enhances the overall taste and enjoyment of the eggs. The stovetop method involves melting butter in a skillet. A non-stick skillet is recommended to prevent sticking and burning. Place the skillet on the stovetop over medium-low heat. Maintaining a low heat setting is crucial. Low heat prevents the butter from burning and browning too quickly. This ensures the butter melts evenly and retains its flavor. The initial step involves heating a skillet to the appropriate temperature. The egg mixture is then carefully poured into the heated skillet. Even distribution of the egg mixture across the pan surface is crucial. This ensures uniform cooking and prevents certain areas from overcooking. The goal is to create a consistent thickness throughout the cooking process. Achieving even distribution is a key factor in the final texture and taste of the cooked egg dish. The size of egg curds can be controlled by adjusting the stirring frequency. Gentle stirring with a spatula encourages the formation of soft curds. More frequent stirring results in smaller egg curds. Less frequent stirring allows for the development of larger, more distinct curds. Adjusting stirring is a key technique for achieving desired egg texture. Scrambled eggs should be removed from the heat source slightly before they appear fully cooked. This technique leverages carryover cooking. Carryover cooking refers to the phenomenon where food continues to cook even after being removed from the heat. The residual heat within the eggs will finish the cooking process. Removing the eggs prematurely prevents them from becoming dry or rubbery. This results in a softer, more palatable final texture. The final step in preparing scrambled eggs involves plating the dish. Carefully transfer the cooked scrambled eggs from the pan to a serving plate. Arrange the eggs attractively on the plate for visual appeal. Consider the portion size to ensure it is appropriate for the serving. Garnish with fresh herbs, such as chives or parsley, for added flavor and presentation. Optional. Serve immediately to enjoy the scrambled eggs at their optimal temperature and texture. The microwave method involves cooking food using microwave radiation. Begin by selecting a microwave-safe bowl suitable for cooking eggs. Crack the eggs into the microwave-safe bowl. Use a whisk to thoroughly mix the eggs until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Ensure there are no large clumps or unbroken yolks in the mixture. The whisked eggs are now ready for the next step in the microwave cooking process. Adding butter to eggs before microwaving helps retain moisture. The fat content in butter prevents eggs from becoming overly dry. This technique ensures a more palatable texture after microwaving. Butter acts as a protective barrier, minimizing moisture loss during cooking. Microwaving eggs requires careful monitoring to prevent overcooking. Use short intervals, such as 30 seconds. For each microwaving cycle, stir the eggs thoroughly between each interval to ensure even cooking. This method helps to achieve a desirable texture and avoid explosions. The goal is to achieve a slightly moist texture in the eggs. Consistency should be checked at regular intervals. Careful monitoring helps prevent overcooking. The desired outcome is a tender, not dry, egg product. Scrambled eggs can be conveniently cooked in a microwave. The process involves placing the egg mixture in a microwave-safe container. Microwaving cooks the eggs quickly through dielectric heating. Once heated, carefully remove the container from the microwave. Use caution as the container and eggs may be hot. Transfer the cooked scrambled eggs onto a plate for serving. The oven method involves cooking food in a closed compartment using dry heat. This technique is versatile, suitable for baking, roasting, and broiling. For enhanced fluffiness in baked goods, eggs are often whisked with milk or cream. Whisking incorporates air, creating a lighter texture in the final product. The added dairy contributes to moisture and richness. The oven's consistent temperature ensures even cooking throughout the dish. The egg mixture forms the base for various dishes. Optional ingredients can be added to enhance flavor. Cheese is a common addition for richness. Other ingredients can include vegetables or spices. These additions should be mixed thoroughly. The mixture is now ready for cooking. The initial step involves preparing an egg mixture. This mixture typically includes eggs, milk or cream, and seasonings. A baking dish needs to be properly greased to prevent sticking. The prepared egg mixture is then carefully poured into the greased baking dish. Baking eggs involves cooking them in a preheated oven. A low temperature, such as 325 degrees Fahrenheit, is recommended for baking eggs. The eggs should be baked until they are set but still slightly jiggly. This method ensures a creamy and tender texture. Proper temperature control is crucial to prevent overcooking. Baked scrambled eggs are removed from the oven after cooking. The dish is allowed to rest for a few minutes. Resting allows the eggs to settle and firm up slightly. This brief rest period enhances the texture of the final product. Resting also helps to distribute the heat evenly throughout the dish. After resting, the baked scrambled eggs are ready to be served. Adding cream or milk enhances egg mixture. Cream or milk contributes to a richer texture. This addition results in extra creaminess. The technique elevates the overall dish quality. A rubber spatula is a versatile kitchen tool for cooking. Gently scrape the bottom of the pan with the spatula during cooking. This prevents food from sticking to the pan surface. Scraping also promotes even heat distribution throughout the food. The result is more uniformly cooked and flavorful dishes. Overcooking eggs can result in a dry and rubbery texture. The key to perfect eggs is to cook them gently. Gentle cooking helps maintain their soft and moist consistency. Careful attention to cooking time is crucial. This ensures a more enjoyable and palatable egg dish. Chefs recommend experimenting with seasonings to enhance scrambled eggs. Customizing flavors involves exploring a variety of different seasonings. Adding ingredients allows for further personalization of the dish. This approach enables chefs to create unique scrambled egg variations. Scrambled eggs can be prepared using various cooking methods, each affecting the final product. Common methods include stovetop cooking, microwaving, and baking in the oven. Stovetop scrambled eggs typically have a soft, slightly moist texture due to controlled heat and stirring. Microwave scrambled eggs tend to be drier and more rubbery because of rapid, uneven heating. Oven-baked scrambled eggs often result in a custard-like consistency, offering a different textural experience. Scrambled eggs are a versatile and delicious breakfast option. They are a staple in many cultures due to their simplicity and nutritional value. The key to perfect scrambled eggs lies in the cooking technique. Properly cooked scrambled eggs should be soft, moist, and creamy. They can be customized with various ingredients to suit individual preferences.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.